Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is John, and this is my first time making video on YouTube. So my first video is here a GS tutorial using a hide and show method using the jQuery. So first thing is, yeah, we have this editor here. I'm using Sublime since we are using a HTML, and I have here preloaded landing page that I just created. So we have a button hide and show, and also with a hey, I'm John. All right. So if we can add this one out and then click save and then refresh this one, so boom. So you can get the link here on the developersgoogle.com. So where I get the library for Ajax, I mean the jQuery, so we can use the hide and show method. So the next thing is we have a script here. So one thing good with Sublime is we can go to script and then it has a tag. So once we enter this one and then it gets the structure. So once I get this function here, all right. So let me wait. Let me make this one nicer. Okay, cool. Right, boom. Right. So we have a document ready now. So we have two functions for the show and for the hide. So what things are we have a ID now for the hide here, and also we have a P, which is if we click this button hide and then it hides the P. So we have a function here hide and then show. All right. So click the save. So this is the whole document ready function. So this is the whole. So like we have ready now. And then the second one is we have this one hide function, which has a click. So once we click this one, this button, and then it determine what the ID, which is the hashtag hide, and then it executes this p and hide. All right, so refresh this one out. So if I click hide and then boom, it hides. And when I click show and then it trigger this function here, once we clicked this this ID, which is hashtag show, this button, and then it shows the P. All right. So yeah, hide and show. Cool. So yeah, that's very simple. So just important thing is you have added this library, so we can use the methods on the jQuery for the hide and for the show methods. All right. So I apologize if it's quite long, but just let me know in the comment of what things that need to be done. I'm just a new developer, so I just shared my knowledge and for the new developer as well. So if anything else that you need to suggest or comments, just let me know. All right, bye guys. Merry Christmas and have a great weekend.